Hey guys, just a couple of quick things. First, I know that this assignment for this week seems a little bit overwhelming, but I just want to encourage you to take it one step at a time, one calculation at a time, and I promise you it's not as bad as it initially sounds. Please make sure to show your work because the more detail that you provide, the more credit I can give you. So if you just list an answer and it's wrong, I can't give you any credit. But I like to, of course, give you as much credit as possible. One last thing, I am expecting a pretty huge storm in my area tonight. I am hopeful that it won't turn out to be what they're saying it's going to be, but there is a possibility that I'll lose access to power and internet tonight. So if I'm not online tomorrow, April 18th, please know that's why. And normally what happens is if I do lose power in that type of situation, I will drive to the closest place where I can get power and internet. But because the size of the storm that is being anticipated, I may or may not be able to drive far enough. So anyway, just want to let you guys know that in case you're emailing me and not hearing back, that would be what was going on. But hopefully that won't happen. Anyway, take care and let me know what questions you have.